What is up, everyone? So, this one is a very short and sweet video here on YouTube, kind of piggybacking off of the reel I created on Instagram, sharing some goodies I like to use during the summer heat in Texas. Another SPF I really love using is this one by Beauty of Joseon. It is so juicy, and I just love how hydrating it feels on the skin. I also like to reach for tinted moisturizers during the summer, and Say is one of those that I really love, especially for that added SPF. I also just love how lightweight it is and that it is a light coverage. So throughout the day, I do not feel this on my skin and I do not look cakey. I also prefer to wear my hair up though when I do wear this because it is really dewy and my hair tends to stick onto it. For my brows, I kind of like to create them a little bit more darker just because I'm not wearing so much makeup. So kind of, I guess, put a little bit of the attention on them and let them look nice and full. So this one by Refi definitely helps me do that. I like that it has a spoolie. It is pigmented, so I definitely recommend to go in with a very light hand. Next, I like to set my brows with the Hue Brow by Lip Tinted. It's a medium hold. I love that it's clear and it has two different sides with different sizes of the bristles, if you will. Then I've been really excited about this product. It is a brightening concealer type thing by NARS. I'll list the name below, but I am pleasantly surprised with this because, like I said, in the summer Texas heat, I do not want to wear too much makeup and I do not want to wear too much concealer. And what I love about this is that it really brightened the under eye without making my under eyes look hella bright, if that makes sense. It is the perfect amount of coverage for my dark circles. Next up, I have not been using this blush a lot. I don't know why, so I'm really happy that I pulled it out for this video because the formula is great. It is a very lightweight, creamy blush. I intended to use the brush here, but in my opinion, I do not like it. It's a little too dense and it does not blend or disperse the blush very well. But nonetheless, I love this shade of blush. I like the color that it gives me. It's very natural, not too pigmented. I got really frustrated, so I moved to another brush. But it's actually really easy to blend with another brush. Beautiful shade, and I definitely recommend it. I also don't like using too much eyeshadow, so I like to sometimes just pop some blush onto the lids a little bit. And voila. Now, I don't always do this step. I did it mostly for the video, but I'm just going to pop on a little bit of bronzer by e.l.f. I haven't used this in such a long time. The formula is nice. It's creamy, blends real nicely. And for the price, definitely worth trying and possibly even repurchasing. And then for the eyes, I went in with the Urban Decay. I don't remember the name of this product, but what I love about this, it's just easy, a one and done eyeshadow, and it blends super easy, and you don't need any brushes. So if you're in a rush, this is perfect. I also really like to set my skin with this Dior powder. It is so freaking beautiful because it maintains that gorgeous glow on the skin without you looking too dry or matte, but it really helps set the makeup, especially because the Say tinted moisturizer is a little too dewy. And then I usually go in with a invisible translucent powder under the eyes. And then I wanted to use this Spectral Shine by Phytosurgeons just to add a little bit more of a soft glow to the cheeks. And then some mascara. Always use mascara. That is my #1 product for me to open my eyes. And then my boyfriend totally came into this video, but then I went in with this Lisa Eldridge lip gloss. Beautiful, natural color. And that pretty much concludes this really quick video. Just sharing some of my favorite products I like to use in the summer. That brightener by NARS is legit. It is so luxe. Definitely worth a try. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.